Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your very first Bitcoin wallet. Let's get into it. Alright, go to the first link in the description. We're going to create a wallet with Coinbase. It's widely regarded as the best cryptocurrency platform for beginners. So click on the Get Started button and fill out this information. So after you've filled all that out, tick the box, make sure you are 18 years of age, and then click Create Account. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. So it sent a verification email to the email that you put in the form you just filled out. Okay, so this is what the email looks like. You just want to click verify email. It shouldn't be in your spam folder and it should come through straight away. So you can exit out of the other tabs now, and it's going to ask you to set up two-step verification. So you just go ahead and enter your phone number in. It's going to send you a code. You probably heard that. So you've got to have a working phone number to set up an account with Coinbase. So that was the code, and there we go. We now have an account with Coinbase. Alright, so now that we've got an account, we want to click on the profile on the top right and go to settings, and then click on the crypto addresses tab, and here we can see our Bitcoin wallet address. So you can go ahead and copy that and send it to people who you want to receive Bitcoin from. And you can also buy Bitcoin by clicking the buy/sell button. In some countries it does require you to verify your ID though. That's why experienced crypto users don't like Coinbase, is because you don't really have the privacy that Bitcoin promises. So yeah, that is how you set up your first Bitcoin wallet. If this video helped, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. If you want to support the channel, feel free to donate any amount to the Bitcoin wallet address in the description, and that is it from me. Peace out.